Hey guys, I want to go over with you about a few things for your data. A lot of people come to me and they ask me why their data is not working. A lot of times their data is not working because the data is not turned on, the settings aren't correct, or there's no data on the account. There could be something wrong with the antenna on the phone. But I'm going to go over with you a few ways you can figure out what's going on with your data. First thing you're going to want to do, go into your settings. After that, you're going to go down to mobile data. This little thing right here. After that, you want to make sure that your mobile data switch is on and that it's not off. If it's off, you're not going to get any mobile data. You're not even going to get your 3G. So make sure it's on. After that, you want to go to mobile networks. Now, in mobile networks, there's a couple things that could be going on here. Your data might be on sometimes. That might not always be why that your data is not working. The next thing you have to make sure is that your mobile data, this icon right here, is checked. Make sure it is enabled, and that way your network will have data access still. If that's not checked, I'm going to show you what happens here. Look at the top. No data. See that? 4G disappeared right there. Turn it back on. And my data just restored itself. Now, if that's not your problem and there's something else, another thing it could be is if one of your settings here got changed. One of the biggest settings for your data is your APNs. If these aren't correct or set or turned on, say for example, if you have just a little quick there we go. Perfect. Alright. Up. Alright, say for example if you have something that's not for your phone carrier. Every phone carrier has their own thing that has to be checked with your phone's carrier. Now, sometimes if you have multiple APNs like these three right here, like there is in my phone, this came with the phone, this one came with the phone. This one I just made, of course. Sometimes if your phone reads multiple APNs, and a lot of phones do, you'll still have your data at the top up here. But if you don't, and you happen to have no data, and your phone hasn't been programmed for your carrier, like say mine's Metro, you have to make sure that it is checked and active, or even programmed. If it's not programmed, it's not too hard to program it. I can go through a couple APNs on another video, tell you which ones you need for what carrier. But if it's that and that's not it, then you're going to have to make sure that there's nothing wrong with the phone. And a way you can do that is you can go to the App Store, turn on your Wi-Fi, go to the App Store, Play Store. Oops. type in network. Network manager. Network tools. And you're going to want to go down. Let's see, where are you? Oh, that's not it. Sorry, guys. Network tester. Alright. This will test your Wi-Fi, your networks, connection, your mobile data, and it'll tell you if it's working. If you have everything enabled and you're getting like nothing from it, you might have a problem with either your plan or your phone itself. Call your carrier first, make sure that they have data enabled on your phone or that there's no outages in your area. If either of those is, what's wrong, then that's what's wrong. You're not going to have no data. After that, well, it might be time for a new phone. That's possible too. Anyway, that's all I got for data right now. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Like, subscribe, share. I'll catch you guys when I catch you later.